Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, press our like button, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2020 Ford Transit 350. This is going to have stock number 75153, and as you guys can tell, we are working with our Dually 11-foot 5-inch box truck. This box truck does have a ramp. The GVWR for this vehicle itself is going to be 950 pounds. Go ahead and show you guys a quick view of our actual tires. As you guys can tell, they are in amazing condition. They have a good tread on them, meaning that they will last this truck a long time. Now coming around towards the back, I'd like to show you guys our Dually truck wheels. These are the rear wheels, and as you can tell, they are in great condition as well. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys the back side of this truck. Now that we are on our back side of the vehicle itself, this is what the view of the box truck looks like. As you can tell, we do have our ramp right over here, which I'll pull out and show you guys here in a second. And this is going to be our backup camera. Now I'll go ahead and open up this box and show you guys the inside of the box itself. Now with the box open, as you guys can tell, we are fully equipped with the E-Tracks right over here. And here we do have a length of 11.5, a height of 5.7, a width of 7.8. Scooting a little bit more back, our opening width is going to be 7.4, and our opening height is going to be 4.11. Now I'll go ahead and pull out this ramp and show you guys what that looks like. And now with the ramp pulled all the way out, this is what it looks like. Obviously these are useful and helpful whenever you're trying to load the actual box area. And I'll go ahead and just put this away now. And now just so you guys can get another quick view of what it looks like from our Dually tires, I'll show you guys this side. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside of the cabin itself. And now coming inside of the cabin itself, this is our view of what this looks like. Obviously we have our 2 seats with the open middle section. Overhead storage right above the seating itself, which comes in handy. And I'll go ahead and start out our steering wheel. As you guys can tell, the steering wheel does have the voice activation feature and some control buttons for you to actually control the radio if needed. We also have our cruise control right over here, which is nice and it comes in handy. And we also have lane assist, as you can tell, right down here. Looking head on at our dash, we do see that the dash says 19,950 miles. Over to the left side, we do have our power locks, windows, side mirrors, a cup holder that's right there, and then this is the control that basically controls our headlights when you want them on or off. Over to the right side, we do have a radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, and Bluetooth connection. And it's also a screen, so you're able to see stuff and control stuff with the buttons all along the sides. Coming down below that, we do have our AC and our heater. These work amazing and they come in handy whenever it's starting to get a little bit chillier. You're able to crank up the heat and it keeps you nice and warm. But if it's hot, you're able to also turn on your AC. That is also very powerful and it feels really good. Now we have different kinds of driving modes for this vehicle, so you're able to play around with that and see what it is depending on the actual conditions. And then we also have our charging ports, which you're able to connect your devices to. I completely forgot, but before actually showing you our engine, I'd like you guys to see a quick view of the backup camera itself. That's what that looks like. Dad likes to ensure that our vehicles are fully serviced, reconditioned, and detailed. So I want you guys to take a quick look at our 3.5 liter V6 engine. This engine does hold 275 horsepower, and it also has a 10-speed automatic transmission. for today's 2020 Ford Transit 350. This is our dually 11-foot 5-inch box truck with a ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you check out the description below. I'll be writing down everything I spoke about in the video for you guys to read. Feel free to give us a call or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. And if you want to go ahead and check out the link to the website, that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with that. I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.